In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in ClickFunnels. Whether you're new to using ClickFunnels or simply need a bit of guidance to get your e-commerce products up and running, this guide is here to help. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Products section within ClickFunnels. To do this, look over at your left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a series of options that help you manage your funnels and various settings. From there, find and click on Products. After that, you're going to want to choose All Products. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the products you have, if any, and allow you to manage them effectively. It's a sort of command center for all your product needs within the platform. Now that you've found your way to the Product section, it's time to create a new product. You'll do this by hitting the Create Product button, which is a straightforward and user-friendly option to begin with. By clicking this, you're initiating the process of adding a completely new item to your offerings. This button is your gateway to expanding your online store within ClickFunnels, so it's an exciting step. When you're ready to proceed, make sure to have at hand all the necessary details about your product. This includes the product name, description, pricing, and any other specifics you'd like to include. It's always a good idea to have your product information planned out in advance. Consider what will make your product appealing to your customers. Perhaps you include some unique selling points or benefits in the description. This is your opportunity to showcase what makes your product special and why your visitors should consider purchasing it. At this point, it could also be helpful to think about how you're going to structure your pricing. Will there be discounts for multiple items? Or perhaps a special introductory offer? These strategies can be particularly effective for catching potential buyers' eyes, so have a clear plan when defining your pricing strategy. Also, remember to double-check all the details you enter. It might seem simple, but ensuring accuracy with your product details is crucial. Errors in product pricing or descriptions can lead to confusion or loss of sales. If you have high-quality images of your product, uploading them will enhance your listing. Visual representation plays a significant role in online shopping decisions. Once all the information is filled out and you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can proceed to save your new product. And just like that, you've successfully added a product to your ClickFunnels account. Feel free to repeat this process for any additional products you want to include. That wraps up today's guide on adding products in ClickFunnels. Keep these steps in mind each time you need to expand your product range, and you'll be an expert in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps enhance your e-commerce endeavors.